Nobody teaches us how to manage money in school, and saving can feel overwhelming or straight up confusing. But if you're living in Canada and want real financial independence, it starts right here. These 5 steps will give you a clear, beginner-friendly roadmap to start investing, saving, and building wealth, even if you've never done it before. TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, they sound like government jargon. But understanding these 3 accounts is key to building wealth in Canada. Let's break them down real quick. TFSA, or tax-free savings account. Don't let the name fool you, it's not just for saving. You can invest inside a TFSA, and any gains, dividends, or growth, totally tax-free. You can also withdraw your money anytime for any reason with 0 penalties. RRSP, or Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This one gives you a tax break now. Your contributions lower your taxable income. But when you retire and withdraw, you'll pay taxes then. It's great if you're earning more today and want to save for the long term. FHSA, or First Home Savings Account, the newest of the 3. You get a tax deduction when you contribute, and you can withdraw tax-free to buy your first home. It's the best of both worlds if home ownership is on your radar. Each account has its own perks, but choosing the right one depends on your income, goals, and timeline. Want to know which one's right for you? I've got a full video that lays it all out. Check that out next. Alright, so now you've opened your account. Maybe a TFSA, an RRSP, or an FHSA. But what do you actually put in there? Because let's be real, an empty account isn't doing much for you. You need to invest. Now don't worry, we're not diving into stock picking just yet. This is about knowing your basic options. The first is ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. They're kind of like bundles of investments you buy all at once. Low cost, easy to manage, and a great way to get started without overthinking it. Then there are stocks, buying individual companies. It comes with more risk, but also the potential for bigger rewards. You've probably heard stories on both sides, big wins and big losses. And both are real. Finally, there are safer options like bonds and GICs. You're lending your money out and earning interest back. They don't grow your money fast, but they do add stability to your portfolio. Each of these plays a different role, depending on how much risk you're comfortable with and what you're trying to build over time. We'll break all of them down in more detail in upcoming videos, so if you want to learn how to actually use these tools to grow your money, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Before you throw real money into the market, talk to a pro. A quick session with a bank advisor or a certified financial planner can give you clarity, even if you never invest with them. Here are 3 solid questions to ask. Which account should I start with? What fees should I watch for? What's a realistic monthly plan for my income? But listen, not every advisor has your best interest at heart. Some are really just salespeople, and they get paid to push high-fee mutual funds. So here's the move. Ask questions, read the fine print, and never feel pressured to sign anything on the spot. This is your money. Take your time, make confident moves. Alright, now that you know what you can invest in, you're probably wondering, where do you actually go to do it? Like, how do you go from knowing what an ETF is to actually buying one? Let's talk platforms. The good news? Investing today is easier than ever. You don't need an appointment, you don't need paperwork, you don't even need to leave your couch. You can open an account from your phone in like 10 minutes. One of the most popular places to start is Wealthsimple. It's made for beginners. The app's clean, there's no account minimum, and you can either choose your own investments or let their robo-advisor handle it all for you. If you're someone who wants more control, like comparing ETFs, buying US stocks, or getting better currency exchange, Questrade might be more your style. It takes a little more learning, but once you get it, you can build your own portfolio and really take the wheel. And don't forget, your regular bank probably has investing tools too. Most of them offer self-directed trading through their website or portfolios managed by an advisor. It's convenient. Everything's in one place. But watch out for fees, especially with managed accounts. And if you're still not sure where to start, robo-advisors are a great low-effort option. You take a quick quiz, they build a custom plan based on your goals, and from there they handle everything: rebalancing, reinvesting dividends, adjusting your strategy over time. So, what's the best platform? Honestly, it's the one that fits you. Pick the one that matches your style and just start. So, you've picked your platform and you know what you can invest in. Now comes the part that actually builds wealth over time. Let's talk about saving consistently and the power of compound interest. One of the biggest misconceptions in investing is that you need a lot of money to get started. But the truth is, like, starting with small, regular contributions can make a big difference. It's not just about what you invest, it's about how long you let that money grow. This is where compound interest comes in. It's when your investments earn returns. And then those returns start earning returns too. Let's look at a basic example. If you invest $100 a month into a simple diversified portfolio, earning 7% per year, in 10 years you'd have around $17,000. In 25 years, nearly $70,000. That's just by staying consistent. No big windfalls, no market timing. So how do you make this a habit? Set up automatic transfers, so it happens without you thinking about it. Pay yourself first, move money to your investment account right after you get paid, and stick to a schedule, whether that's monthly, bi-weekly, or whatever works for you. Trying to time the market rarely works, but staying in the market on consistently is what builds real long-term results. The takeaway? Start now if you can, because the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And that time makes a huge difference. So now you've got the full picture. You know which account to open, what you can invest in, where to do it, and how to start saving in a way that actually builds wealth over time. This is the foundation, and if you build it well, everything else becomes easier. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like the video. It really helps more people find content like this. And if there's a topic you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. I read every single one. All right, that's it for now. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.